Want to amplify your story and reach more viewers? Imagine streaming live on over 30 platforms simultaneously. Are you struggling to engage your audience across multiple channels? With Restream, you can easily live stream to social media, your friends, or business partners. Experience incredible flexibility. Stream across 13,145 destinations, tapping into diverse audiences by using your existing social channels. Worried about missing comments or chats? Our cross-platform chat feature consolidates everything in one place. Gain valuable insights with engagement analytics. Track views, chats, and peak moments to refine your live streaming strategy. Stand out from the crowd. Restream allows for integrations with top streaming apps. Use your current setup without any hassle. Thousands of creators, from politicians to entertainers, trust Restream. Join Mike Shinoda from Lincoln Park or the Philadelphia Eagles and expand your reach. Take control of your content across platforms and escape the limitations of social algorithms. Direct your viewers to where they can buy or sign up. Ready to be everywhere at once? Don't wait. Visit our website now and start your free trial today.